Hey everybody, Master Margles here. It's my Thursday 10:30 a.m. class. It's January 20th, 2011. Check out what's going on. We got Miss Vicky there hitting the bags. And over here we got our live rolling session going on. We got a pretty kick butt class today. We got Charles working with Big Manny over here. We got Anna and Christy going at it. We got Will rolling with George. Two of my good blue belts. We got Dave rolling with Charles. We got Justo rolling with Jason. Jason's getting his purple belt this month. Justo's already a purple belt. Don't know why he's wearing a blue shirt. I'm gonna kick his butt later. We got Big Ed, one of our most ruthless purple belts. We're rolling with Devin, another one of our blue belts in the bottom. And we got two of our good blue belts here. We got Adir going with Big Tex on the bottom. Eric Leos. So as you guys can see, we got a nice class going on. Come check us out. Okay, we're open 24 hours a day. We have locations in Miami and Davie and Broward. So we got 30-day free trial. Check us out. We got a 60-day money back guarantee. Get a free uniform and a free private lesson with one of our world-class. As a matter of fact, your free private lesson will be with Jason back there. Okay, except that he won't be hitting you unless you want him to. All right, go ahead and give us a call. 1-888-FFA Gyms. That's 1-888-332-4967. Or check us out on the web at www.bestfreetrial.com. Peace.